So what we're looking at here is explain everything, and I'm going to show you how kids can use this to capture their thinking during class, turn it into a video, and then share it with the class without kids actually having to get up in front of everyone and share. And of course, it's there for later if you want to add it to like a class website or resources. So the cool thing about explain everything that I'm not going to get into is you can use join codes to actually to collaborate. If you have multiple devices, they can all work on the same whiteboard together. But for today's purposes, we're going to do a new project individual. And so you'll see that there's different kinds of templates that you can choose from. We're just going to use the whiteboard template today. And yeah, it's essentially like a little whiteboard. You got pens and markers and highlighters and paint buckets and shapes and text and everything over here that you can use. Down here at the bottom, you'll notice that there's a recording, and what that allows is that kids can press the record button and it records everything that happens on the screen like a video. Actually, not like a video; it is a video, and their voice as well. So it's kind of like they're making a screencast of what they're doing on the whiteboard, and then they can share it as a video. So I'm not going to press it because um, I can't do a screen recording on this device and do another screen recording at the same time. So we'll just pretend like we pushed it, and essentially a kid could get this and say, all right, today in class we're trying to solve 26 times 8, and we all know that you're supposed to use an area model. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this area model up into the tens and ones. I'm going to put 20 up here, and then 6 over here, and then 8 over here on the side. So I know that 20 times 8 is 160. Then over here, this is a 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Then I'm going to add these together. So 160 plus 48 equals 208. So then I could take that video and share it, then export it to Google Drive. And then that could then be presented to class. So then kids don't, if they're maybe a little shy, a little intimidated to present, this still captures an incredible amount of thinking. And if you do anything with digital portfolios, of course, they could upload that to their digital portfolio to show what they're learning. So there it is. That's Explain Everything. It's a great tool to capture kids' thinking and another way for them to show their learning.